Hi, my name is Nick Pomazak, and I'm the product marketer for indoor LED modules at Signify. Today, I'm here to tell you about the new CertaMatch system for high bay fixtures. In recent years, your customers have been facing intense price competition from overseas competitors. In order to remain competitive, they have been using tactics such as importing finished fixtures from overseas and selling it on the US market with their name on it. Or they have been using components that may have lower quality and reliability levels than their customers have been accustomed to in the past. We want your customers to know that with the release of the CertaMatch system for high bay fixtures, there is another way. Your customers should now be asking themselves, what if they could have high quality components at a very competitive price? What if their components could be sourced onshore for shorter lead times and an accelerated time to market? And what if their components had a 5-year limited system warranty that would be serviced by their component supplier, which would greatly reduce the burden on their office staff? The CertaMatch high bay system makes all of these things a reality, with the uncompromising quality and performance that their fixtures demand. The CertaMatch high bay system is comprised of a titanium-edged fixed current LED driver and either 1 or 2 Fortimo Edge LED modules. The driver and module system is designed to provide optimal cost and reliability, even at extreme temperatures and heights. This system is perfect for linear high bay luminaires with lumen outputs of from 10,000 to 30,000 lumens. The system can provide either standard or premium efficacy levels depending on the driver and module combinations used. Also, the drivers are Class P listed to help shorten approbation times and increase speed to market. The drivers offer 0 to 10 volt dimming, and all of the components come with a 5-year limited system warranty. To help ease the selection process for your customers, we've created a simplified table that provides driver and module combinations that provide some of the more commonly used lumen outputs for high bay fixtures. The tables are color-coded to indicate whether the combinations offered standard or premium efficacies. Should your customers require more creative pairings, they can use our Easy Design-In tool on our website. If you have any further questions about the CertaMatch high bay system, please contact your FLS product marketing team or Signify.